Got a 2001 Chevy Express Vanlife van. Just in time for Halloween.
Working on the project now. It's getting there. It's about 75% done.
Tell me about the inside.
So it's all cedar lined. It's got R19 insulation in it. I did a 1/2-inch insulation sheet on the floor with 1/2-inch plywood on top. Vinyl flooring that's waterproof. The bed is just got holes in it to prevent moisture from coming up and making mildew in there. Cabinets are all custom built out of cedar and plywood, lined with rope trim. Got a one-piece countertop that's 8 feet long that goes from back all the way to the front. Got a fold-down table on the back left door. Just folds down. 1/4-inch plywood. Painted all the outside trim so far. Got a faucet and the sink. The sink does not have a drain. We're going to use it as a salad bowl as well.
What about these lights?
They're dimmable, actually, puck lights, 2.5-inch puck lights, 6 of them in there on a dimmer switch.
They're all LEDs.
And then we also have a Max Air fan with the rain protection. We're going to build a pedestal in the front for the dog to sit on. There's no passenger seat, single rider only. 5 gallons of water.
Show how this works.
It doesn't work, it's out of water, remember?
That pump was only $15?
Yeah, but it doesn't have no water.
On Amazon?
Yeah, on Amazon. I think they're $15 or $20.
It charges with a USB?
Yep. It's got another fold-down table here. You just pick it up and it drops down. Storage in here, storage in the bottom. Big storage container on this side for the grill and all the cooking utensils is gonna go in there.
That's a stove, isn't it?
Yep. Big pocket in the very front that is almost too deep because you can't quite reach the back.
How many hours do you have into the build?
Too many.
100?
Probably.
It looks really good.
It's getting there. When it's all done, we'll make a follow-up video and show you guys how it turned out.
How'd this go?
This is a swivel door so you can get the 5-gallon containers in easily.
Wow.
Obviously the screws will be shorter and cut off and everything's going to be painted still and trimmed out. There's doors that go here that's going to turn into a table.
Where'd that stainless steel thing come from?
That came from a yard sale at the church for 50 cents.
Wow. Oh, the Fantastic fan.
Yep, and I put, no, it's Max Air.
Max Air.
Max Air.
How many speeds?
A whole bunch, 10. 10 speeds, it reverses. It'll reverse to go air out. This way. Turn it down.
What model Max Air?
The Air XL. So there, now it's going to suck air out of the van. It'll stop and it'll start going the other way and it sucks air out for if you're cooking in here or anything like that. You can turn it up. Now it's sucking air out.
Is it 10-speed forward, 10-speed reverse?
Yes.
That's what was in that A-liner. I wish I would have kept it and put a roof vent back in before I sold it.
Yeah, you cut a 14 by 14 hole, it goes right in there. It's kind of scary to cut a hole in your van, but...
Exactly 14 by 14? 14
by 14, exactly. There's a hammock hook back on the right side for the hammock to hang.
Well, this is really cool. That rope is just trimmed?
Yes.
It looks like real rope.
Trimmed it out. Made it look nice. She's going to put baskets in there, like boxes that fit in there.
This is a really nice build. What were you saying about the insulation? What's behind the walls?
Rockwool R19 is made for attics, and it is soundproof, moisture-proof, and mildew-proof, or mildew-resistant.
What's inside the walls?
Foam. The foam insulation boards.
Wow.
The Corning.
Do you know what value?
5. R5. I don't remember how thick it is though.
What's in the ceiling?
The R19.
Is that the wafer board?
No, that's the loose foam stuff. That's really messy, the itchy insulation. But it was the best stuff they had.
This is really nice. You're building it for somebody else?
Yes, for my mother-in-law.
She'll enjoy it.
The fender wells have reflectics on them, so they're sealed up. Here's a piece of the R19 insulation.
That should be really
If
quiet.
anybody wants to know what this is.
Is that stuff itchy?
It's not as bad as fiberglass insulation, but yes, it will get itchy.
That pink was real itchy in the 70s.
Yes.
Real bad. That's cool the way you made that bed.
Yeah, it's getting there. We're going to put a foam, 4-inch memory foam mattress on there.
Is that considered a double, the mattress?
This bed is 45 inches wide by almost 6 feet. It's 60.
It looks like
68 inches, I think.
it looks like it would take a double mattress.
It's almost a double.
It's short of a double?
I think a double is 48.
So a double would fit in there.
Not quite, because that's 45 inches.
You could squeeze it.
Yeah. 2 people can sleep in there fairly comfortable. But since it's only one person and her dog.
Have you ever slept in there yet?
Not yet.
That's a really nice build.
Not too bad for building it in the front of my trailer.
You built it right here in the yard.
Right here in the driveway with my own power tools.
Will you put a backup camera on it?
Yes.
We're filming in a Sony 4K HDR AX33 camcorder. Sony calls it a handycam. In 4K.
We'll do a finished build here video for you in about another 4 weeks. 3 or 4 weeks. She's trying to leave November 1st, so I have a few weeks to get it done. Everything will be painted and filled in with the holes be done, and it'll look a lot better.
Thanks.
It's a good start.
Thanks for letting me shoot the video.
No problem.